Hello dear all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this lecture, I am going to discuss with you first part of Greek medicine. Greek medicine, we immediately recall the name of Hippocrates, father of medicine. Greek medicine is very ancient medicine way back from 3000 BC. So let's enjoy the fascinating world of ancient Greek medicine, their legacy which continues to shape our modern medical practices. Greek medicine dates way back to 3000 BC and has its roots in mythology. Healing was done by Apollo, the sun god, god of healing. The healing powers of Apollo seem to have descended to his son Asclepius. Asclepius has his statue has a staff in his hands which is entwined by serpent. Asclepius had two daughters, Hygeia and Panacea. So Greek medicine has a mythological origin. Greek medicine has impact of Latin language on medical world. It describes to us powers of gods and gives the idea of ancient Greeks about the cults. The key figures are Theophrastus, Herophilus, Mithridates, Aristotle, and the great Hippocrates, father of medicine. Apollo, the god of healing, is the divinity of ancient Greek medicine. Zeus was the king of gods, and here again the sun god Apollo. So Zeus gave his powers to sun god Apollo, the healing powers. Healing powers of Apollo were transferred to his son Asclepius. He cured the sick. He was called as Hellenic god of medicine. He had two daughters, Hygeia and Panacea. They were called as goddess of preventive health and goddess of medicine, respectively. The Greeks revolutionized medical practices by introducing cult-based healing retreats, where patients were given rest away from home. These cults formed the foundation for therapeutic treatment. Asclepions were the temples dedicated to Asclepius, were built in serene locations near the sea. Patients were carried there to sleep, dream, and undergo treatments such as enemas, baths, massage, and dietary regimens. Asclepius, with his staff, gives us the medical symbol even of today's times. Asclepius' staff was having one serpent entwined, and the two serpents entwined are in the today's times form the symbol of medicine. Thus, second phase of Greek medicine starts with the birth of Hippocrates, father of medicine, 460 BC, where medicine took a revolutionized turn. This era marks the 500 BC to 500 AD. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, introduced a rational approach to disease, shifting the perspective from divine intervention to natural phenomena. His clinical bedside observations laid the foundation for modern medicine. Greek medicine, with contributions of the key figures Hippocrates and also Theophrastus, Mithridates, Herophilus, we will see in the second part of the Greek medicine. Thus, the impact of Greek medicine on medical field is tremendous. It marks a milestone in medical history. It has a rich heritage of Latin language, where medical terms of today's times are in Latin. So this was about the first part of the Greek medicine. So Greek medicine, we are remembering Hippocrates with his even Hippocratic oath, which is still practiced today. So Greek medicine has ancient heritage. So the contributions we will see in the next part of the Greek medicine. Thank you.